The Strip Star, a stunning show and competition race car, was built by the legendary Gene Winfield of Winfield's Custom Shop in 1963. This remarkable vehicle was created for the Promotions Inc. show car division and has since become a symbol of automotive innovation and design. The Strip Star's design and body are a testament to Winfield's creativity and craftsmanship. The car features an asymmetrically offset hand-formed aluminum body, mounted on a modified 1948 Ford chassis with a 107 wheelbase. The sleek fastback design is a standout feature, beginning with a special roof over the driver's compartment and flowing down to enclose the drag chute. The car's unique features include an electronically operated tonneau cover over the passenger seat and an off-center asymmetrical grille and headlight assembly. The lighting system is equally impressive, incorporating French driving lights and a single Honda headlight. Under the hood, the Strip Star is powered by a full-race 427 Ford engine, rated at 425 horsepower. This powerful engine is coupled to a Ford 4-speed transmission, which connects to the 1948 Ford rear end. Despite its robust powertrain, the car maintains a relatively light total weight of 2,300 pounds. The interior of the Strip Star is as stylish as its exterior. The car features black Naugahyde upholstery with foam-padded fiberglass bucket seats and black carpeting. The unusual steering wheel, made of aluminum stock bent back to a 90-degree angle, adds a unique touch to the car's interior design. The Strip Star's exterior is painted with 40 coats of candy tangerine over a pearl underbase, giving it a vibrant and eye-catching appearance. Goodyear Super Sport tires are mounted on Terra Thrust wheels, designed and manufactured by Gene Winfield himself. The car also includes a remote control for raising and lowering the top, starting the engine, and operating the passenger windshield. The Strip Star's legacy extends beyond the automotive world. In 1989, it appeared in the popular film Back to the Future 2 as a futuristic vehicle from 2015. As of 2013, Gene Winfield still owned the car and showcased it at various car shows, a testament to its enduring appeal and significance in automotive history.